Hi guys, today in this video we will learn about for loop in Python programming language. Okay, so before understand about the for loop in Python, okay, so let me show you. Let me make this as a heading. I'll say here okay. Then let me run this and you will get like this. So this is for loop in Python. Okay friends, so for loop also known as a definite loop in Python programming language. So there are two types of loops in Python programming language. First is for loop and second is while loop. So for loop is also called as definite loop, and while loop is also called as indefinite loop. So whenever we will go through the for loop, it means I have already known how many times our loop will be run. Okay, so this will be the definite limit and repetition of our running program for repetition. So this syntax, let me see the syntax. Okay, so syntax, let me comment this with a hash, and syntax is, at first you have to write for keyword, then you have to give the name, variable name. Okay, so this will be variable underscore name. Then one keyword, that is a membership keyword, that is in operator you have to use here. Then we'll use range function here. Okay, so inside the range function, I mean inside the set of parentheses, you have to use, I mean you have to give the three arguments here. First is start, and second is stop, and third is step. Okay, so this is the syntax for loop. Okay, so if here try to understand, if you will not give the start index number for the range function, that time variable will start from 0, it will take as by default. Okay, so and for stop, suppose you will give a stop index number, that is 10. Okay, so 10 will be removed. Okay, so loop will run till the 9 index number, because whatever you will pass here for a stop index number, that index number would not be included for your runtime. Okay, now next argument is a step. A step, it's by default will take from 1 if you haven't passed any index number for a step index number. Okay, so if you want more a step for your loop, for your for loop, so you need to give here the step index number, whatever you want. Suppose like you want your data after 2 steps, after 3 steps, after 4 steps, so we'll run like that's. Okay, so but if you will not pass here any step index number, Python will take I mean it's will be by default will take from one step. Okay, so let me show you from an example. So I'll write here for, then I'll say that the variable name would be here I. Okay, and the membership operator is in. Then I'll give here range function. Then I'll say here set of parenthesis, and this time only I will pass here 10. Okay, so this is 10, this is 10. Our loop will run till the 10. Okay, so here I haven't given any start index number and step index number. So for that, it's will be by default for a start index number will start from 0 index number, and for a step index number will start from one step index number. Okay, so now I will give here colon. Then now I want to print what? Suppose I want to print inside the double quote. I will write here educate yourself daily with Vikas. Okay, so this is our output. I want output, but how many times this output will be execute? So this will be execute. Suppose this is a stop index number, that is that that is 10. Okay, so our loop will start from 0. Okay, so this loop will run till the 10, but 10 index number will not include for our output. It will run only till the 9 index number, because this will start from 0 and will go for a stop number. That whatever you will give here the stop number, that would be the stop number minus 1. Here I have given a stop number 10, so this program will be executed till the 10 minus 1. Okay, so let me run this program, and you can see here educate yourself daily with Vikas. Let me count our output, how many times this program will executed here. Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so so don't be confused here. Okay, because I have count of 10 output. Okay, so this is 10 output. So why you will get the 10 output? Because this will start from 0, because I haven't given any start index number here. Okay, so by default, let me uh, write here. By default this will take from 0, and a step will take from 1 by default. It's by default. So first time our loop will run, and this will execute from 0 index number. So first time will be 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That would be the stop index number, but I have given here 10 index number. Okay, so this is 10 stop index number, but this will be execute till the before the stop index number, so that would be the stop number minus 1. So I am giving here 10. The program will be run till the 10 minus 1 index number, that would be the 9 index number. Okay, so that's why this is giving 10 times as output. Suppose I have given here 1. It means I will start from 1. Okay, I will start from 1 till the 10 is a stop index number, but our start index number is 1. So this will print from 1 index number till the 9 index number, because a stop index number is always will be a stop number minus 1. That would be the 9 index number for a stop index number. So let me run this program, and this time you will see only 9 times you have got your output. Suppose this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9. So 9 times you have got your output. Why you are getting 9 times? Because I have fixed here, this would be the start index number from 1, and a stop number that is 10, and a stop number will be 10 minus 1 till the 9 index number. This program will be executed, and then will give this, will give you as output as 9 times your output will be. Okay, now suppose I will start, I will give here the start index number that is 2. Okay, so from this program will be executed from the index number 2 till the 10 index number. Again I am saying you, but 10 index number will not include. Okay, so this will be executed till the 9 index number, 9 stop index number. So from start will be from 2 index to start index number. So let me run this program, and this time you will get only 8 times output. Similarly you will give here 3, then you will get only 7 times. Okay, you will give here 4, you will get only 6 times. You will give 5 start index number, then you will get 5 times output here. Okay, suppose I have given here 6 times, so 6 index number, start index number, so you will get 4 times. Okay, so like this. Now I will not give here, sorry, I will pass here 1, then I will give comma. Now 1 second. Now I'll say here increment with 2. So let me run this program, and you can see a start index number is 1, a stop index number is 10. That would be the 10 minus 1 till the 9 stop index number. Now this is increment, so I want my output with the increment of 2. Okay, so this will give you start will from 1. So you will get first time, so loop will be started from 1. So you will get first time, then will increment with 2 index number. Okay, so this will be after 1 index number would be 2 and 3. That's why you will get one more, then 5, then 7, then 9 index number, that is our stop index number finally. So you can get like this. Okay, so this is our for loop in Python programming language. Okay, so do more practice to understand for loop in Python programming language. So thanks for watching my video. We'll meet you in next video. with the next topics. So thank you for watching my video.